General documentation for export and import. 1. PI, sales contract, pro forma invoice or sales contract, issued by the seller and signed by the buyer. It is a preliminary agreement that outlines product details, price, payment terms, delivery timelines, and other conditions. 2. Invoice, commercial invoice, a mandatory document issued by the exporter that details the goods, their value, currency, and payment terms. It's used by customs to assess duties and taxes. 3. PL, packing list, a detailed list of the contents of each package or container, including dimensions, weight, and quantity. Helps with cargo handling and verification at customs. 4. CO, certificate of origin, preferential, non-preferential, certifies the country in which the goods were manufactured. Preferential CO helps claim duty benefits under trade agreements, like SAFTA, SAPA, ASERAN and etc. Non-preferential is for general trade. 5. BL, AWB, Bill of Lading, Airway Bill. Transport document issued by the shipping line, BL, or airline, AWB. It serves as proof of shipment and title of goods, required for claiming payment and customs clearance. 6. EVD, Export Value Declaration, a self-declaration by the exporter indicating the value of the goods. Required for certain export consignments depending on the value and destination. 7. Insurance, marine, air, domestic, subject to condition, protects goods against loss or damage during transit. Mandatory under some Incoterms, like SIF. May vary based on buyer-seller agreement. 8. Phytosanitary certificate, subject to condition. Issued by the Plant Quarantine Authority to certify that plant or agricultural products are pest-free and safe for import, export. Required for plant-based products. 9. SB/BA, Shipping Bill, Bill of Entry, Shipping Bill, for export, issued by Indian Customs, it is the primary document for export clearance. Bill of Entry, for import, filed by importer to clear goods from customs, which is issued by Custom 10. Bill of Exchange, for export, a financial instrument drawn by the exporter, directing the importer to pay a specified amount either at sight or on a future date. It may be used for payment collection via banks under documentary collection. 11. Fumigation certificate, subject to condition, certifies that the cargo, often wooden packaging or agro products, has been fumigated to kill pests. Required by certain countries for specific product categories. 12. Any other document, as per ECCR, ICCR, Export Compulsory Compliance Requirement, Import Compulsory Compliance Requirement or by CHA. Documents such as product-specific licenses, inspection certificates, declarations required under the ECCR, ICCR, Export Compulsory Compliance Requirement, Import Compulsory Compliance Requirement, and those advised by your CHA, Customs House agent, depending on product and destination country.